Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. But if you are a oldie but a goodie, welcome back my babies. Okay y'all, as you can already read from the title, I'm gonna give y'all a wig, okay? Of course, by the most sweetest, best brand, samsbeauty.com. So I have been eyeing this unit in specific for a minute because the fact that it's quick and easy, and I legit have zero stuff to get done to this unit in order to wear it. I'm like, that's perfect, period. Okay, so this unit is called it's a curtain bang wig, and her name is Maven, and I got her in the number 2. At the front, like right here, it has a really short lace, and it's let me see. Okay, so this is a Freetress brand, and it's their shake and go. All right, it's their shake and go like unit. I think they have some different units in their shake and go as well, but yeah. So let me show y'all what she looks like. Okay y'all, so this is what she looks like, and remember y'all, I got her in a number 2, so that is not the color that I have at all, but I'm just showing y'all the style. Okay, and of course it comes in a variety of colors, so in case you're like, nah, I'm not the number 2 kind of girly, then you got options, honey. You do have options. Okay, so let's jump into the wig specs, shall we? Okay y'all, so like I stated earlier, this wig with this unit, I love it because you have zero stuff to get done. So this is the list. Like I stated, all you got to do is put some powder on there and you're good to go. It comes with 2 combs in the front, and it comes with 1 in the back, and your regular adjustable straps. Okay, and that is it. This is the unit. Basically, she has beautiful layers. I absolutely love that. Look at that. Yeah, I did get a number 2 because I wanted more of a natural look versus anything else, period. So the only thing that I'm gonna do really is I'm going to grab some powder, and I'm finna put that over the lace, and then all I'm gonna do after that is pop her on, and that's it. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is just basically putting some powder on the lace. The powder is basically on now, so it's not as white as it was prior to this. So let's get her on. Let's see. Okay, so let me, y'all, I'm using a mirror, so don't mind me if it does not look like I am. Oh, hold on. So I'm gonna put in the combs because I want it to sit properly on my head, of course. Of course, I need it to sit properly on my head. So that's her, like, just propped on my head, not brushed out or anything really. That's just her, like, just propped on. Okay, so basically this is the end of this video. I don't normally give afterthoughts once the video is done, but overall I really like this unit. I love the fact that it takes such little effort to get this sort of look, because I'm this kind of girly. So for that, I'm really happy. It's like a yaki texture, but not all the way, so it's kind of silky. It's more on the silky side, but it's really full, but not too thick. You get what I mean? Because sometimes they make the wigs and they're too thick, so they don't have anything realistic about it. But the fact that the top is nice and flat, as y'all can see, and then it has just the right amount of hair, it's perfect. Okay, it's legit perfect. Of course, we do have little flyaways, and so duh, she is synthetic. What were you expecting, right? But anyway, y'all, that is it for this video. The link to this unit will be in the description box. In case you want to go and get this unit, you all can go ahead and do so. Until next time, this is indeed your girl Tia McPherson, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.